Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is November the 29th, Project Redline update. Time for a little copywritten material. November the 30th, time for another Rocky moment. Well, that's what's going on with the car this weekend, folks. I still got so much stuff to remove. You've still got where the roof meets the quarters, the drip rails, the rear seams, the windshield seams, all of that mess still has to come off of there. I'm not going to show you guys that. It's going to be 10 hours of just boring, cutting, grinding, scraping. No fun at all. So anyways, that's what's going on. If y'all want to see more, click subscribe. If you thought it was cool, give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a good weekend.